Hello everyone, let's make some banana nut bread today. I got this recipe from my friend's grandmother, great grandmother actually. It's been, I had it for a long time, she gave it to me. It is a very good recipe, so I hope you like it. This is actually, I was supposed to take 1.5 cups of crushed banana, very ripe crushed banana, one and 3/4 cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and half a cup of brown sugar. It's a firmly packed brown sugar, and 2 eggs. Either you can take 2 eggs or one whole egg and 2 whites. And this is about 5 tablespoons of butter, and half a cup of white sugar, and about 1/4 cup of walnuts crushed into small pieces. And you can take half a cup also if you like more walnuts, but 1/4 cup is enough actually. And prepare your pan with butter it all around inside. And the last thing I showed you was the cream. Actually, I took milk. I didn't want to take the cream, but cream would be much better. It's about a 3/4 cup. So 3/4 to 1 cup. It's up to you how much you want to do it. And I added all the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt together and mixed well. And keep it aside. And I'll take the rest of the ingredients to the mixer. Just first I add the butter. Butter is thawed for about a couple of hours. I think I could keep a couple of more hours because it's not completely thawed, but it's okay. It worked okay like later on. I just turned it on, and I need to bring it out. And while it is being mixed, add the brown sugar also. Slowly add one after the other all the ingredients, otherwise they won't mix well. If you want to add each one and mix well with each other. So after the brown sugar, let it mix well with the butter, and then add the white sugar, and then the eggs you can break them and put them in a bowl, and then put it inside. And also vanilla, you can add the vanilla also. And finally you add the banana paste of mushy banana. You can pick, if the bananas are supposed to be very, very ripe, then you can cut into pieces and put it in a bowl and mash it with a fork. It will mash. So once all these are mixed, like even the bananas, add the milk also. I added milk, I'm sorry. If you want heavy cream, you can add it. I didn't want to add more fat and calories to that, so that's why I just took the 2% milk. I added 2 eggs, but I didn't show you yet both of them. So finally add the milk, bananas, and then the milk. Now vanilla. So 1.5 cups would be better. That means 3 nice big bananas are going to be 1.5 cup. I had only 2 of them, so I just put the 2 of them. It was not bad, but I wish I had 3 of them. So I'm mixing the milk with in the banana bowl, so just to pick all the leftover banana in there. I first put the half a cup of milk, but I figured it is not enough, so I put 1/4 more. So totally you need about 3/4 cup of milk. Measurements and also the mixing is the key here. So once all these are mixed, add the powder, like we dry ingredients mix we made it, add it to that, and then the nuts also, and mix well and take it out into a bowl. The bowl we already prepared with buttered inside all around, and put it in the middle rack on 350. We preheated the oven 350 before I started all this. I just preheated it. Now here I put it one hour. It's check 1 hour. Actually the recipe says 1 hour 15 minutes. I checked 1 hour. I thought it was not enough, and I put 10 more minutes. Actually you can put 1 hour 15 minutes, it won't bother. It's so crusty outside and nice and soft inside. It's very tasty. The crustiness all around is like I really liked it. And look at that, you could cut the shape also very well. Only thing is, when it is done, like after 1 hour, I picked it through the toothpick and it didn't come out clean, so I put 10 more minutes. Actually 1 hour 50 minutes should be okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe my channel.